That's how our sages stated. Number 10, Yerushalayim Talmud Nedarim 9:1. Are not those things which the Torah prohibited sufficient to you, that you must forbid additional things to yourself? So commentary number 11. Shmona Prakim. The Rambam prefaces this statement with the following comment. Our sages have made statements about this subject which are more marvelous than the others that I have ever seen. Interesting. So basically, I tell you what.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on one second.
Yes.
Sorry. Okay, go.
No problem. So what did I want to say? So. So basically, I'm learning now in my morning class.
I'm sorry I interrupted. I had to close the door.
No problem. Learning about all of the forbidden foods. So in order, so people wanted to learn about forbidden foods. So and the guys. So I told them to pick the topic and gave him like 15 different topics. That's what they picked. Okay, whatever. So everybody like thought that it's going to be like two and a half pages. I said we're going to spend. I told them so we're going to spend 3 or 4 or 5 months learning about this. So whatever you choose for me, even though I covered it, after 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, it's like new material, almost new.
Yeah.
I don't have such a great memory. I mean, I'm trying, but so and there are so many like forbidden things, so many like the unexpected things.
Really? That's forbidden?
Yeah. For forbidden foods. So basically, before forbid yourself any food, right? Just try to learn halachah what is forbidden, because for sure you eat something that is actually forbidden.
Really? I thought it was like pretty simple.
Especially so we finished one chapter about these bugs and how many sets of lashes, right? So and it says clearly. So Rambam is saying, I give you just one example. So he's saying that the bugs that come from water, but it's not from a river, not from an ocean, not from the sea, but from a standing water.
Mm-hmm.
So you have water in your vessel, or whatever vessel is it,
right.
outside, and after sometimes you see like all of these bugs like crawling around. So he said that these bugs are permissible.
Who said? Rambam?
Rambam, yeah, that's the halach. If they came from they were like I don't know, developed from the water.
Standing. Right.
Okay, so
permissible.
It says that if they can climb up the walls of utensil, then fall in, so that they're permissible. So you can drink these things. But if they came from outside, or they went outside of the vessel to the ground and then came back, so it's not permissible.
Not that I'm questioning Rambam, but did he give like a source for where he got this from, or he just, this is just what he made in Halachah?
No, I don't know. I mean, he always has sources. He does not make things. I mean, he said this is Halachah, and he knew that everybody is going to read it. So
I know that.
No. So it depends, like where these bugs are coming from and stuff like that. So that's not my point. So unless person checks, even it says check, he buys his salad whatever from the store, supermarket, and it says check, you must double check. I mean, you're not required to check every leaf or whatever they give you. Okay, you can skip every, like, I don't know, maybe check 10%, 15%, but right. you must check. But with a salad, for example, we buy from BJ's, this like mix. What's that? So I check every leaf, everyone.
I know. I bought. I even when it says checked, I have this thing that kills bugs. It's called Sealy's. You let it rinse, then you soak it. I got it from. There's
the problem
and then
is
I
not is the
check the
killing.
leaves. Huh?
The problem is eating, even if it's dead.
No, I know. And then I check because as long as it's not alive, I can look. So I just make sure that they're all dead, and then I look through the leaves and everything. I can't see like living bugs. I have like a fear of bugs.
Oh, okay, all right. So basically, what my point was, there are so many forbidden things. So before forbid yourself something, just see what is learn first. What is already forbidden.
Right.
So we will learn about eggs with blood spot.
Yeah.
I've
seen them.
So basically, yeah, don't create yourself all the stringency. There are so many stringencies in the Torah that try to stick to that stringency. That's it. Don't be too right.
Well, let me ask you: when you check the leaves on the bugs, you you put them up towards the light and just check.
Okay.
No.
There are two. So the most popular way, I would say, there is they call it light tray.
Yeah, the light.
So like ultraviolet light. I don't use that. I bought for a few dollars. It's very cheap. So we bought like a table lamp, and it has like a magnifying glass on top.
Oh.
And it has a light. So magnifying glass. I don't know how many. I don't know, 10 times. Like basically, even I with my bad vision, I can see like clear.
What? Where do I get that? I want that. I can get that.
So if Lerner, I can find you. I think I paid like
send me
$10.
a picture. Yeah, send me a picture and
I'll find it. It's from eBay.
Yeah.
$10, $12. That's what I paid, and it's better than any light, and it's compact, and you can use it for you fixing some things. For example, small things. You to see it's like a magnifying glass.
Yeah.
You have a flip, like if you open magnifying glass, if you close, it's like table lamp.
Right.
You can read. Okay, so I mean, so the point is again, don't accept all the stringency upon yourself. So one of the things that is going to make a person arrogant, that's for sure.